All right, guys, we're making bread today, and we have 6 cups of flour in here, and 1 cup of butter. 6 cup of flour.
Yeah.
And I'll mix this up a little bit here.
So we're gonna mix it to that consistency, that nice loosey consistency.
And we're using a different yeast today. The one that we don't have to set. This one here is already
Yeah, we don't have to activate it.
Yeah.
We just add it directly to the flour.
Yeah. And I always like me some bread.
Yeah, it's always your homemade bread is
Homemade
always
bread,
best
yeah.
than going to the store, the Guyanese or West Indian store to buy bread.
So should we put in that thing now? Yeah, this is nice.
So
and
look at the consistency.
yeah. You gotta mix it in good, like crumbsy, a little bit here. Let that butter mix up in there. Yeah, when you eat too much bread, you start looking like a baker, you know?
Like a baker, like
Yeah.
you mean like a barrel, like a like a round thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Alright, and now we're gonna put it in.
Show them the yeast that we're using.
We're using this one here. Instant.
Yeah.
I guess they make it easy for you to do.
So we don't have to, you know, when you bake bread, how you have to put some water and some sugar and let it stand for some time to raise or make it active. We don't have to do that with this yeast. So we're gonna use 2 pack of the Fleischmann.
And it says here on the back you don't have to mix any water, mix it with water or anything like that to activate it. You just mix it into the flour. And we're gonna add the aniseed.
Yeah, we're gonna try some aniseed
Yeah.
for the added flavor.
Yeah. We always like to try something a little different. Put in your stuff. Pretty soon we can start putting raisins and cherries in our bread.
Honestly, I would love to grate some nutmeg and add some essence to this.
Yeah. I bet that would
Put some
taste pretty
cinnamon
good too.
powder,
Yeah.
you know.
Mhm.
It's homemade bread, so you're more than welcome to put whatever you want, I guess. To each his own.
So this is nice and crumbsy here, right? Mm-hmm. And we have 2.5 cup of water.
Mm-hmm.
And
3/4 cups of sugar.
3/4 cups of sugar. And we got right here, we diluted already.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start adding this in here. As you can see, it's already diluted. Here, I'll make a little,
Well,
well, a little hole in the middle here. I'll start to add this here. Alright, I'll be right there. Sometimes you might need a little bit more water. You can, don't scare to throw in water, add a little bit more flour. Wouldn't make much of a difference. Sometimes it does, right? Depends on how much you put. So our favorite is bread and egg.
Bread and
a cup
fried
of
eggs.
Fried eggs and tea.
Yeah.
Nice cup of tea.
Milo, Ovaltine, or regular green tea.
Or black tea.
Yeah.
Yep. Yes, guys. Do not throw all the water right away. As you can see on my hand here, not too many flour sticking it too. Just keep on working it in there. Like a baker.
Okay, baker fish.
Yeah. Just got to do it right. Somebody's breaking up something somewhere. So this has started taking some shape here. So you want this sugar water to get all over into this flour. You can use one of those things to really chop it. I have one, but I can't find it right now. So I'll add some more sugar water in here.
Actually, the stickier this dough is better as well.
You gotta get it a little stickier.
Yeah.
Working it in there, nice and fluffy. It's the correct way, you know? The same way the baker do it. And Fish the baker. Or Nalini the baker. You can also use your mixer, your bacon mixer, if you want. You can do it that way. Yep.
It's really starting to take shape now.
I've got some more water here to put in. I got a little bit more water left. So I'll work it in there. I might. So this is nice and sticky, and start forming that consistency that you need. I think I'll just add slightly a little bit flour here, so I can handle this dough. Manhandle it pretty good, you know? Like this here.
Looks good.
Yep. This dough always give you the run for your money.
Yeah. You need good muscles to mash knead this dough.
Why you think a baker is that big?
Okay.
So
yeah, guys. So we're gonna knead this, and then we're gonna let it sit for about 40 to 50 minutes.
Yeah. I'm pretty satisfied with this here.
Yeah.
It looks really good here. You
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
nice and solid.
Yeah.
And she looks really, really good here. So, all right, buddy.
Okay.
So, guys, we're gonna leave this for sitting down for another 40-45 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
We can check it out and see how it goes, and be back. All right, guys. Moment of truth. Let's see.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Yeah,
It's swollen. Oh.
it's nice and fluffy and soft.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, it's nice and soft.
Yeah.
All right.
You sprinkle some flour in here.
Yeah, just I'll put some. Just try to get this out of here. So, what I'll do, I'll cut this in two. Yeah. And I'll cut this another little piece here. And I'll split this in half. Let's make sure I have an equal half there. And so I got one here.
Oh, you make a good bread.
This is supposed to be your job.
Aww.
I'm trying here.
You're doing
I
well.
think this goes underneath there. I think we're gonna just tie
Yeah.
this up here like
It looks
that there.
awesome. Look, nice flatbread.
And I think this is correct length there. I'm gonna put that on top there.
Nice. I think you got it.
And we have this one here. As you can see there, we already buttered the pan. We're gonna put this in the oven here. We're gonna let it soak for.
We're gonna let it
Right,
sit
for-
for about another 30-40 minutes.
Yeah.
We didn't make a lot of bread, but anyway, we're gonna let this raise or sit for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then we'll bake it for about 20 minutes. It needs to be buttered.
Yeah.
So
Where's my brush?
just use your fingers, babe. I use my fingers to butter pan.
Sorry guys, I can't find my brush. So I'll use this paper towel.
So fancy.
Hopefully it can fit in here, right?
I think so.
Yeah. So.
Perfect.
All right. There you go. All right, guys, we're gonna be back in the next 40 minutes.
Yep.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, guys, time for checking out the bread. I didn't open it as yet, but now let's see.
Wow.
Oh my God, look at that.
It needed a bigger container.
No, that's fine. That's
Okay.
perfect.
It
Yeah.
smells so good.
Yeah.
It really is so good.
You guys, oh my God. This looks amazing. Let's check out the other one, babe.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah. She looks good.
That one really
smells really good.
Yeah.
Too. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven. Our oven is at 350.
So 350.
Yeah. Here. Let me bring the other one.
And we're gonna bake this for about 60 minutes, 60 to 65 minutes. Look at the bad boys in there.
Yeah.
Huh?
All right, guys, we're gonna be back in 50, 60 minutes, and we're gonna see our bread look.
All right, guys. So here's our bread. Look at those bad boys.
Yeah. Put this one here.
And if we had a bigger thing, a bigger baking pan, I'm sure that would have been going. So look at that. Look at the plaid bread.
And we're gonna go glaze it with some butter.
Guys, the aroma
Smells
is
really good.
amazing. You guys, it smells so good in this kitchen. I just cannot wait to have some bread and butter. Butter and bread. Over on this side needs some, yeah.
Real homemade bread. Yeah, this one kind of twists this way, but
Yeah,
it was rising.
it's okay.
Yeah. It looks really good. I'm really happy the way it turned out. Guys, thank you guys for watching. For those of you who did not subscribe as yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon.
A notification bell.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. One love and peace out.
Peace out.